Good morning, girls and guys. This is Toby Preacher, and you're watching a game devlog video. So it's 6 a.m. and 12 minutes now, and it's a nice morning, and I will do some game development. So I decided to record my game development sessions I do every morning or almost every morning, and just upload it and let you be part of it. So I will not edit these videos, I will just roll them out like they are. So as you can see, I'm using Unity Hub, where I can handle all my projects and different Unity versions. Pretty awesome stuff. Yeah, I know there is a new version, but I don't care now. Okay. So, what are we going to do today? So you can see I keep track of my versions and everything, what I want to do in Trello. And lately I'm organizing myself, like doing some versions and organizing the to-dos in a I only put to-dos in there that I can get done in about 1 week. So my goal is to every week roll out a new version. But sometimes there will be weeks where I can't do it in 1 week and I need to. So okay, what I want to do is extending the fighting system, and I want to add variable attacks, because right now at the moment, if I play, as you can see here, you only got this this one attack, nothing else. Look, there's some toilet paper. So if you go close, you can attack like this. So blah blah blah. That can be very boring for the player actually. So I want to add some more fighting options. Yeah, that's what I want to build, and I want to do some research on it. Yeah, I was thinking about how if I could do some kind of fighting mechanic like in Ori and the Blind Forest, where you click with the left mouse button and you get this auto-aiming behavior. But I will not do this right now. I want to focus on some throw bone attack and spit attack. So one of the first things I want to do is get a sprite for the bone attack. Where do we have it? Well, let me think. I get some. Where did I have it? Assets. Put in here. Graphics, scene, objects. Okay, I want to have some bone like that. Alright, I'll go with this one. Okay, I'm using GIMP here because I'm not working too much with 2D image programs, and yeah, GIMP is for free, so I'm using that. Put it roughly in the center. Let me see. I think this bone is actually really small though. I will leave it like that. Okay. So I'm not really a pro with that, but just trying to do my best on it. Roughly in the middle. Yeah, I think that's okay. Export bone. I will name this one throw bone because the player will throw this one. Alright, here's the throw bone, and it's actually looking like shit. Why is that? Got this one, and we get this one, and it's blurry. Very blurry. That's because I rotated it, and with the rotation comes the blurry stuff. Not that cool. Well, it will be good for now. It's just for testing. Okay, let me see. Should be in here. Nope. Graphics. Where did I have it? Scene and tiles. I need to reorganize this. There is the throw bone. Sprite editor. Okay, I defined the new outlines of this bone. This is where the green box is, and yeah, put that one roughly in the center. That should be okay. Apply. Alright, there we go. So what I want to do next is see where I will script the shooting behavior, or the throwing behavior in this case. And I got a shooting script on my enemy AI script. I guess so. So let's check it. So let me see, range check, blah blah blah. There it is, enemy shoot attack. Bullet timer. What do I have there? Enemy shoot attack. Is shooting. What the heck? Oh. I'm doing this on range check. Then I'm doing enemy shoot attack. Is shooting is true. And where does that one get called? What the heck? From animate. Oh, I'm instantiating the bullet from the animator. It's have been a while since I touched this script, so target transform the position. So, and then I have this class player attack, and here are all the attacks I got. Got a bullet timer of 2 seconds. Attack timer. Okay. Let's start scripting. Serialize field. Whoops. Private game object. Throw bone. What the heck? Okay, I got some bad scripting here. But well, here I got the eat stuff, and then I will do the attack here. So private void throw bone. Throw. Whoa. Throw attack. Okay, I will pretty much copy it from here and then see how I will shoot direction, target transform, that position. Shoot direction. Okay, I need to check the Unity documentation. Oh, there's actually a transform direction. Okay. Transform direction. What I need a direction where the bullet is shooting. And so I take transform direction. That should be okay. Oh, why? What the heck? And I need a new. God damn it. Transform that right. Let me try this. I want to see what that is. Form norm. Oh, okay. That's okay. We can leave it like that. So GameUp Check throwbone clone. So instantiate throwbone. God damn it. Shoot point right. We don't have a shoot point right. For the moment, I will take transform.position. Which axis is it? X dot x plus 1. And here I will take quaternion dot identity. And here is I made a mistake. I need to give a vector 3. So I have to say new vector 3. Transfer that position at blah. Okay, then position dot y and transform that position. That's it. So now we have a vector 3. Now it should be good. Instantiate as GameUp Check. Direction. Times throw speed, and we have to define this variable throw speed. Here, let's make it a serialize field so it shows up in the editor. Serial, no. Serialize field. Private float. It should be a float. Throw bone. Okay. And I don't think I need a bullet timer because we got something like the cooldown here. Attack timer. I will use the attack timer for this, and I don't set it to 0 but to 1, and that means 1 second will have to pass until I can throw the bone again. So let's test this. It should instantiate the bone, but wait, we need one more thing. I need an input for this. Put it in here. Don't take E, we take R, and then we say throw attack. Okay. Let's go into the editor on the player object. We got the player attack script, and here is the throw bone. Let me see. Graphics, scene, objects. No, not objects. Scene tiles, throw bone. There's the throw bone. Get the player. Oh, I actually need to make it a game object. Put it in here. Prefabs. Throw one prefab. Delete this one. Player. And we set the throw speed to 10. All right. Oh, you're right. Okay. I made a mistake. Here's something missing. I need a rigid body 2D. Hello, there we are. It's simulated. Okay. Let's try again. Because I'm adding force to the rigid body of the throw bone. There we go. Ha, look at that. Okay. So the bone is being thrown. And we need to do some extra adjustments. Okay, what we need is we got a throw bone here. I need to put a sorting layer. It's gonna be on the player layer. That's important, and we will add another script. But let me see if I can reuse a script I already have. And that's the bullet script. Let me look at that. Bullet. Okay. Oh, I can't reuse that. So I need to make a new script. Script. Create C# script. Throw bone. There we go. On trigger enter to D. Okay, check if the collider I'm colliding with is not a trigger. And then I compare the tag. Let me see if the tag is defined for the enemies. There are my enemies, and what do they have? They have the tag enemies. Okay. So I can use the tag enemies. If collider compare tag is enemies. So, and then let me see, where's my enemy AI? Enemy military, enemy AI. I think I got a damage function in here. Public void damage. Yes, there we are. Int damage. I think we will do 1 damage. So game assets dot instance dot enemy. Oh, I don't have the enemy AI in my game assets class. So I have a really cool thing here, and this is a class that is instantiating itself as soon as it gets called from other scripts. Then it will check if the instance of this class is null, and if it is null, then it is instantiating from the resources folder itself as a GameUp Check. And so I will always have an instance of this class in every level. That's really cool. And then I hold the most important scripts here in this class. And here I need a enemy AI, enemy AI. So, and what it does on the void enable, I will grab the reference, find object of type, and then enemy AI. And so I'll only have to deal with class references at one single place in my whole game project. And this is this class, and whenever I need a reference, I can address gameAssets.instance, and then I grab the enemy AI, and then the damage function, enemy damage, and it takes an int with the damage, and I give it 1 damage. After that, destroy the game object. Okay, this should be good for now, but I want to do something else. Let me see, where's my throw bone? Is here. That was the bullet. Player attack. Throw attack. Where is it? Okay, what I want to do, I want to turn the bone around, so if the bone hits the enemy, it will give the enemy some damage. But if it hits anything else, I want to return the bone like a boomerang. And let me see how I can do that. Else if collider.compare tag Okay, that should be working. So I set the current velocity to 0. Transform that get component rigidbody dot velocity is okay, I need a reference of the rigid body. Yeah, I got the rigid body. Then I said I don't know if it works, but I will try it out. I want to be the velocity equals the negative velocity, and I hope it will change the direction this way. We will try. Okay, let's test. So I think we need more power to the bone throw speed. And let's put it to 20. Let's play. Okay, that looks good, actually. Okay, it's not working though. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Why is it not working? I forgot something. Probably. I forgot something. Prefab throw bone. I got a rigid body, but I got no... collider. I got no collider. Box collider. Can I open the prefab, please? Thanks. Box collider. Let's make it small. Hello. Can I add it, please? Let's see. Not too big. Let's make it more accurate. More precise. Whoops. Okay. Looks good. Now I should be able to deal damage to the enemy. Let me see. Whoop. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, I love it. Look at that. Holy motherfucker, look at that. Oh, that's nice. I like it. I can't really throw them around, right? Oh look, I can build myself a shield. I can spam him like that, and he can't do anything. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh wow. Look at that. I love it. I love it. Okay, but we got some issues here. Well, that's fun. Okay. Let's see. If collider did compare attack, its enemy. And then after that, destroy GameUp Check. So if it hits an enemy, it should destroy the GameUp Check. And it should deal some damage. One trigger entity D. Did I forgot something? Let's try again. Let me see, where is my enemy? The enemy is here. They have the tag enemies. On the layer enemies, they have a box collider attached. Well, it should be okay, so let's see. I don't know. I love it how it slams the enemy beside, but it's not dealing any damage. So why is that? I don't know why that is. What is the difference between the bullet and this one? Alright, I'm fucked. Well, what is the problem with that? Okay, I guess I have to find out tomorrow, because my alarm clock is ringing and telling me that I have to go to my main job. So that's what I'm going to do now. Close that one. Okay, we got some progress. Not as much as I hoped, but it was great fun. That's the most important thing. So I will push it to my online repository. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more of this, let me know in the comments. I will upload videos like that the next weeks and days and months. And so have fun, have a nice day, stay awesome. Bye bye.